Chakraborty from grade 7A. I'm studying in FIITJEE Global School. I'll be talking about a topic called how to make your neighborhood a better place. Now, neighborhoods are the building blocks of a city. A good one attracts more people and locals feel happy enough to stay for the long haul. But being tagged a bad one usually means a lot of crime or dirty streets. Most people want improvements in their own neighborhood, whether it be benches or a cleaner park. And these little things can add up. Whether you're a renter or homeowner, here are some suggestions to improve your neighborhood and make it a better place to live in. 1. Take care of your lawn. It may seem like an odd suggestion, but taking care of your lawn not only benefits you, but it also benefits your neighbors. Keeping your hedges trimmed, taking out the trash regularly, and clearing your lawn ensures that everything is in sight. These clean surroundings can ensure that you avoid problems such as pests or burglars. Make friends with your neighbors. Making friends with your neighbors is a great way to start to build a better neighborhood. Make sure you greet the people who you pass by, attend block parties and other events, visit the playground and make small talk. These activities are helped in aiding you to create bonds and develop friendships. Plant trees. Believe it or not, a sidewalk lined with trees can help drivers ease up on their speed, according to a 2012 study. Aside from that great benefit, people love to see more green on their roads. Trees provide shade for the summer, and it makes neighborhoods more beautiful all year round. Encourage safe school zones. You can make sure that kids go to school more safely and they can have fun while walking to the schools. For busier neighborhoods, for an instance, programmable time clocks can be installed with an RRFB. It can then be programmed to turn on when they are about to go to school and when they are going to go home. For smaller neighborhoods, speed bumps are also a great way to encourage safety in school zones. These suggestions are focused in strengthening the sense of community and spirit in the commons by providing ways to make sure that people become friends, neighbors, and citizens. That creates a firm foundation that enables a neighborhood to solve problems and seize opportunities. Thank you, everyone.